Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1973 MGB convertible. It's finished in blaze orange, black interior, 4-speed ROSTYLE wheels, black soft top, and we purchased this car recently from its owner in Tennessee. He did a very, very nice recent full restoration on the car, and it definitely shows. So excellent recent fresh restoration on it, very nicely detailed all the way around, hardly a chip. I can barely it's like a little tiny chip right here, but you know, barely a mark on this car. So he restored it, sparingly drove it, and then we ended up purchasing it. So it looks like all the paint was completely done. Excellent high quality paint work. All the bright work was renewed. Looks like a new triplex windshield there. Lower rubber's pretty good on it. New bumpers. Looks like maybe a new grille. Tires, very, very good. Slightly oversized, meaty radial tires, but real nice detailing. All this rubber's been replaced. The lights and lenses and mirrors, everything looks pretty darn good on the car. Back here in the trunk, it's nice because they have left all the original paint work here. This is all the original blaze orange. So this is an original blaze orange car that's just been painted once in its original color. Very nice spare tire there. Great panel fit, as you can see. But yeah, excellent body, excellent paint. Recent full restoration. Let's take a look at this car's interior. So in addition to the paint job, it got a brand new interior. This is all been restored. Beautiful OEM seats, very good carpets, floor mats. It is wearing a dash pad, but very, very nicely installed. New sun visors, smaller sport MG wheel, which is really lovely. Top's in good condition. I did notice there is a little bit of there's some slight, you know, deterioration on the rear plastic window, but it could probably be polished out. But yeah, really lovely car. Very honest, very straight, very clean, fresh paint. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. So under the hood here, we can miraculously see it's never been restored. So amazingly good, all original paint work under here. It looks like it's had some new brakes. The carbs have been rebuilt. New generator, a lot of new engine ancillaries. It's fitted with this aluminum radiator with the addition of an electric fan. It's got some special high-performance air cleaners that make a really nice noise. This is pretty impressive here. This is the original hood undercoating from the factory. This kind of cloth type. So amazing to see that in really good condition on this completely unrestored engine compartment. So this car looks like it was like amazingly well taken care of. You know, just look at the finish down here of all the original paint work and the lines. The engine's painted black as original. The speedometer reads 49,000 miles, and we have every reason to believe that is the original mileage on the car. Let's take a look at that. 49,691. It's got an upgraded modern stereo, but pretty fantastic little car. I was just taking this out for a drive. You can see me driving it around there. There's absolutely no issues driving this car, except if you hurry it into third gear, there's a little bit of weakness sensed on the third gear synchro. You can go second to third fine, but if you downshift fourth to third, it kind of bites at you a little bit. But rest of the car is absolutely just a knockout to drive. So excellent little car here if you're in the market for a very well restored, low mileage MGB chrome bumpered car. This is a very, very good one, highly recommended, and it's for sale on our website. So 1973 MGB Roadster, blaze orange, original color, black interior, black top, 4-speed, ROSTYLE wheels, very low miles, under 50,000, and it's for sale on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.